Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to take a first look at the new Wyze lock bolt.
Isn't it Wyze bolt lock?
Nope, it's Wyze lock bolt.
Well,
see, it says right there.
Okay, well, I didn't name it. Don't blame us. It's Wyze lock bolt.
It's the Wyze lock bolt. So this is a new lock from Wyze. So it's got a couple different ways that you can get in, actually 3 ways. So it's got a fingerprint reader, so you can open it with your fingerprint. It's also got a keypad, so you can have a code. And it also can be unlocked and locked with the Wyze app, but only using Bluetooth. So you can't unlock it and lock it over the internet.
Yeah, no internet. No internet, at least not yet.
Not yet.
Okay.
So there's 3 different ways you can do that. It comes with everything that you need to get it installed, including a quick start guide and a very sophisticated template.
Oh, this is cool. Look at that template. Isn't that neat? Look at this here. I'm going to make it really close. Look at that.
And so if you want to drill out your new lock, you can do that.
We're not going to do that. We're going to just replace the one we have.
We're going to replace one we have.
So this is the bolt that goes in there. This looks a lot different than the bolt that I've seen in other smart locks. And this one here, the other thing it has on it, it has these posts. So instead of hooking the back plate up with screws through the unit, you have these posts to do it. I think it'll make it easier to install. And then the inside mechanism that you use to turn, open and close the thing from the inside, and then a mounting plate to go with it.
Okay, so Mark's going to go off and install this, and we'll come back and do our full review.
Thank you.